And then the first thing Allah inspired me is to go and speak to people who are very wealthy, billionaires. So I went and I spoke to, I think, 17 billionaires.
MashaAllah.
And I said, no, I'm not going to speak to millionaires because they're stingy people. I'm going to speak to billionaires because they're wealthy and they've got so much wealth they can easily write you a check of 10 million. It wouldn't hurt them, right?
Yeah.
And so when I spoke to billionaires, I realized, and I put a criteria. The criteria is billionaires who made money from zero. They were not like, wealthy, inheritance. No, nothing like that.
Yeah.
Then I realized there are individuals like you and me. They weren't particularly educated. Some of them I was more educated than them. I knew more Quran than them. I knew more Hadith than them. I knew more Islam than them. I knew more medicine than them. I was more eloquent than them. I was prettier than them. I was like, what the heck? But how are you so rich and wealthy? Then I realized that they have the following. Number one is they have an edge. An edge. One thing and one thing only that they know how to do very well. Okay? Number two, the second thing that they have is that they realized how to do that one thing very quickly. Repeat it as many times as possible, not just one, but repeat. Let me see an example. Right now I'm a doctor, for example. I know that I can charge 30 pounds for a patient, for example, if I was doing a private service, right?
Okay.
Now how can I do as many patients as I can, legally, possibly, within the time that I have?
Yeah.
Can I do 50 patients? Can I do 60 patients? Can I do 70 patients? Of course, I can't do that much, obviously. There's a limit. But my point is, they have figured out how to do that one thing that gives them that small 5% profit, 10% profit, 10,000, 5,000, but how to do it so many times as fast as possible. That's how they made money. But they figured out one edge. And that's how I realize as well, people who trade in the stock market, people who buy shares and are profitable traders, they only have one clear strategy. You just need one thing, akhi. You just need one thing. You don't need 50. You need one idea, but you got to figure out how to do it infinitely, recurring number of times. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's what you got to do. That's what you got to do. That's how you become wealthy. Right.